Hello everyone. Welcome to LPTrades Live.
You sound so shy.
I'm not shy.
Hello. So, welcome back. I'm back from Hawaii. I brought back a Hawaiian girl with me. And found her on the beach. But yeah.
I'll put mine
Yeah. That's it.
We'll be trading together.
Yeah, the same model. We've never had a win together.
Yeah.
Like on the same, like we're together on the same day.
Yeah.
We have a win. So the day happens where you get a win at the same time as me, I just hope that you actually follow the rules and take it.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean. Maybe we're just waiting until 9:30.
I'll make sure to follow the rules.
Mm-hmm.
There's no midnight
What do you mean?
on mine.
What? What do you mean there's no midnight?
Yeah, it goes from 2300 to 0100.
You're on NAS 100. That's why.
Yeah, that's what I usually trade.
Yeah, but there's no midnight on NAS 100.
Yeah, there is.
Not always. You're trading the shitty version of NASDAQ, not the futures.
Yeah, I don't trade futures right now.
Yeah, but that's why you might not have a midnight. Haha. Okay, we have a sweep. If you were trading NLP right now, you'd be cooked.
Why?
Because you just lost.
I would have been taken out.
Yeah. It's funny, you were saying like my Model 2 NLP was fuck. During December, you were like, it's not working. I want to trade something else. And now it's starting to work again. You're like, oh, it's been working.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna switch back.
No. Okay. We have the inverse. But,
You don't take the first one, huh?
no, I do. It's just I think it's ran way too far for me to take it. We'll see where it closes. I don't know. Get ready to short. Sell now. Oh, we might be cooked. We're definitely cooked.
I lost.
Yeah, it's okay. This is why I often want to wait until we have a sweep that's after 9:30, but sometimes it can still work. I just usually like to wait till the chaos at 9:30 is out of the way before I trade. But this model will sometimes still work even at 9:30.
Would this be considered a sweep?
Yeah, that is a sweep. Oh, no, not there, because it didn't take out the body. No.
Even though it wicked it out?
Mm-hmm. You know, we should be waiting for the bodies. Why?
Nothing. Hi, Theo.
Oh. Welcome to the stream. I don't know if we're gonna get a trade, to be honest.
Why would you say that?
I don't think so, because it looks like it's gonna attack the high. So I mean, until it comes up to the high, then I would probably expect a short, maybe, but maybe not. It could just continue going up. But from now until this high, we probably won't get a trade.
We should go long. Go long!
No. Hell no.
I'm kidding. Is that the apex?
Yeah. I'm gonna have another shorting opportunity here. No, never mind. Oh, nice.
Well,
Now when you have a position, you can create limit order.
oh, based on that?
Yeah.
You didn't know?
No, it's new. That's a new thing. Before you could do it a different way though. That button is new. Like, see, you don't have that button.
No. Oh.
No, it's too late. It's taking too long to inverse. I'm not taking it. Hawaii was good. I brought her back. But it was getting struggle because I didn't bring many clothes, so I was kind of always wearing the same 2 or 3 outfits. And then of course she lives with her brother, so and when she would work, the days she worked I was just on my own, and then I had my Chromebook, but I missed my whole setup, having my setup to study. Technically I was on vacation, yeah. I went over there to surprise her because she was coming to Ottawa, so I went there for a week. And wasn't able to trade my Apex accounts, but there was only one trade last week and it was a loss. And I took a second trade earlier in the week by accident. That was also a loss. So right now we are on a losing streak, this model. I think it's should be a 4 losing streak, but I took 2 extra losses. I'm on a 6 losing streak. But I hope soon it'll turn around. Right now what I'm studying is I'm looking into different years to see how the model is affected on different months. Now according to chat, I told chat my rules and I asked, how do you think a model will perform on different months? And it said that February and March should be bad months, and January is like a 50-50. It's conditional. It depends. And I think ever since the geopolitical stuff started happening, the model has not been very good. But I think it's starting to turn around. Like, you know, it was really good. The thing is, the first week was amazing. It was like almost 20 RR, produced 22 RR in 1 week. And then I wasn't able to trade my live account during that week. So I had a few wins, but now we're running into a losing streak. It's just kind of sucks. I wish I would have been able to trade that first week, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm glad to be back, and I'll be streaming almost every day this week at least. Next week every day. Yeah, we're gonna run up above this high. At least that's what it looks like it's gonna do. I could kind of tell because London had the sort of run on this short-term liquidity.
You wouldn't take this short?
No, I don't think it will close, but it's already kind of too late. Like, I feel like it had so many chances to short. It's too far from the short-term high.
You should go back to bed.
Well,
He almost said you should go back to bed.
why?
I don't know.
What?
That's what he said. Maybe because you keep yawning.
I always yawn when I trade. I yawn a lot. I don't think because I'm tired. Yesterday she was shopping for clothes and I was yawning. Yeah. Maybe I'm just extra relaxed because she's here.
Maybe. This is the model, technically.
No, but it's too far from the short-term high. And it's not really quick. There's long wicks on the bottom. Like we inverse this gap, there's not much displacement and speed at least. Well, now there is, but see how like the wicks on the bottom are pretty long?
Mm-hmm.
It's like pushing up against it.
It still wants to take out liquidity.
Well, it's also that we're really far from the short-term high, so I already filled once, and then I wouldn't trust it too much. We're close on this too. To my side.
Damn.
Mm.
Silver's going crazy.
Yeah. I've been studying something with the model.
What is it?
I told you already, right? More with liquidity.
Yeah.
I've been implementing, like I've been looking at just the losses so far. I haven't looked at wins, but I've been looking at the losses, the images, and I'm trying to see, okay, what has the day done so far? So from Asia's 1800 open, and so far what I found is a lot of the losses come from when we aren't we haven't taken liquidity. If we're trying to go short and then there's buy side liquidity nearby, like a high, and then shorts, the first one may not work, and then the second trade, usually sometimes it'll be after it takes liquidity, then there'll be a second trade and it'll work. And then a lot of losses too on the sell side when it's going down. It already took out buy side, and then we're trying to long before liquidity's taken. So
always wait for liquidity on a higher time frame.
Well, I don't know. I have only looked at 2 months of data. I have to look at more data, and I have to look at the wins too. But if there's more consistent results, then yeah, and then it could replace 8:30 and midnight filters. Because 8:30 and midnight filters, I don't really use them. It's like just kind of there at this point. Very few times it protects me. Usually only when price is trending in one direction. Like if it were to blast to this level up here and then it would just continue trending higher, then midnight 8:30 would protect me from taking longs, but it would keep getting me into shorts, So the thing is, longs though would be what I would want to take. So sometimes it can work against you, and sometimes it can work. It can work. It can help you. But in this model, we're almost never using it, so it's almost like we could remove it,
Yeah. But this model hasn't presented a long yet, anyways.
What do you mean? No, it can happen sometimes where it leaves a 5-minute short-term low, and then it like here, if let's say it goes up a bit more and it comes back, takes it out. It's like a pullback, and you could go long, but then we'd be above midnight 8:30. That can happen sometimes. But if we use the liquidity rule instead, and we know liquidity hasn't been taken, so
Gold is going crazy too.
yeah. Let's see how much my portfolio's up.
You're up 10%.
No, 14%.
Oh, sorry. Sorry for the disrespect. That's good. We're in the same ones.
I think so.
Let's see my portfolio.
Okay. I'm taking out this buy side liquidity.
I'm up $3. No. Actually,
24.
$24.
Nice.
I'm up 4%.
You have, oh yeah, nice.
This be buy side right here.
Yeah.
The high and the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
You should make that a filter instead. Taking out liquidity.
Yeah. Well, what do you mean? But I don't know yet. We're just going off 2 months of data.
Yeah. You need more data.
Here it would have been kind of easy to tell. Low, there was a low taken out, and then price just barely is at the high. So at the point where the sweep occurred, we took out this high of the day. Like this trade would have probably still been good to take. But then would we wait for an external liquidity like from previous day? I don't know. That's, we took out the low the day previous day, so it looks like the next target would be previous day high. So yeah, like we would probably want to wait till previous day high. But now at this point, since we already took out the low, I don't really expect anything else to happen. So it could pull back. But I don't know if it would. It might. Like ideally, I'd want this to be in the distribution phase. So that's the thing. It's not about like waiting for liquidity. It's about figuring out when we're in a distribution. That's more what I noticed. If we're distributing higher, then you don't want to do anything to go higher, or sorry, to go lower. And once it hits liquidity, sometimes what it'll do is it'll just do nothing. It'll just consolidate, or it'll continue going up. And sometimes it'll pull back, but that's the thing, is I don't have enough data to see like, okay, then can we go short after that? just waiting for short-term swing low. It seems like at least the move higher is slowing down, but it seems like it's turning into just nothing.
What do you mean, just nothing?
Like it seems like it's gonna consolidate. I don't know. It doesn't, like, what I'd want to see if it's really trying to go lower is it has an initial attempt, then it goes up above, and then it goes down. But right now, what it's doing is kind of like it's slowing down. It's like as we're coming up here, it's like losing momentum. It's probably gonna go down a bit, but then it's probably gonna consolidate, something like that. So I don't know though. Maybe I'm wrong. You know, baby. Sometimes I'm wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm wrong.
It's okay to be wrong sometimes.
Yawning again.
Yes.
That's good. We seem to be having a good move lower. If we can run up above that, then that'd be good. I would see that it was good.
Okay, let's go. What's the research? What's your research on?
The model? Just back testing while waiting for the trade.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah.
Wear a sweater. I'm gonna get my slippers so my feet are cold.
Right now, we're playing Clash. While we trade. It's freezing. OMG.
I can't find my slippers.
The pink ones?
Oh, what's on? Do you want some?
It's okay. Will they keep my toes warm?
Well, duh.
Sass.
Do you want some?
Yeah, I'll take some.
Take these over shoes.
Thank you.
See, I don't really like this move lower. It seems to be more excited going up than going down. If you look at it from a 1 minute chart. See how it's like very slowly going down, but it's still very more excited going up It's not really what you want to see. I mean, like, you want it to be excited to go down, and then it doesn't really matter how it goes up. But it just shows that there's not much, like, how do I say it? Urgency. It's not urgent to go down. Okay. This is now taken out, so short-term high taken out. That means we can now look to, well, we're gonna wait for a short. We get an inverse fair value gap. You're distracted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you done? You done playing?
Yeah, I'm done being distracted. Yeah, looks like it's a long.
We'll see. I'm waiting to see if it's short.
Alright. We have a fair value gap here on the 1719 candle. Wait, I'm on the wrong time frame.
No, you're on 1 minute now.
Oh yeah, on the 1019 candle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think that this is gonna be short anymore. It's taking too long to inverse.
Yeah.
Closed, but this is taking way too long to do it, so I'm not going to be going short off this close with this inverse.
What? I missed out.
No? I told you I wouldn't be going short. Here's another pretty obvious. Oh shit. I'm gonna keep looking at this before I do anything. Oh, this is S&P. Let's see if this would have worked. What I'd like for it to do is this be the sort of exaggerated move that's going to start this process of going lower. I'm hoping that can be done.
Like a head and shoulders?
Like a breaker.
That's a head and shoulders.
No, it's not. The head and shoulders would be... We need to do a third shoulder. I don't care about the third shoulder. I'm already out of the trade when that happens. She said head and shoulders.
What's wrong with that, Baba?
It's not a Head and Shoulders.
No.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah. Theo says it best. That language is taboo in the ICT circle, Normani.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What's taboo?
It means not allowed.
I didn't know.
Yeah, you have to get punished.
Dang. Sucks.
This looks like it'd be a better swing to use. It was excited and not just meh. But I'm hoping it will run back up above the high.
What?
Nothing.
I didn't know. It was forbidden.
Yes, it is forbidden.
It was the first thing I learned.
Oh no.
What?
It's okay. You're getting better.
ICT would not be impressed.
You would not.
I'm at 4,000 trophies.
You have to change the colors of your candlesticks. You're not worthy.
What?
Yeah, you got purple and white color sticks.
Dang.
Well, no, she can keep it like that. She can't be using green and black, though.
It's not good for my psychology.
What?
Using green
Green
and red?
and black? No green and black.
Should I just use all black?
No. You gotta keep using what you're using.
That would be better for my psychology. I wouldn't see the candles.
No, actually, yeah, you should do that. You wouldn't be looking at Head and Shoulders patterns.
No.
No.
I would just buy or sell and pray.
No more Head and Shoulders. Until you can see it properly.
Maybe for chance. No, that would not be good, Theo. What wouldn't be good though is letting Leon drive.
What? What are you talking about?
He's a bad driver, guys.
That's not true.
Bad.
That is not true.
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Okay, now it's my turn to look at the charts. Now Theo's laughing at me.
I'm laughing at you.
No, he's not.
Oh my god.
He said at least bad drivers never miss an exit.
That's true.
That is facts. What are you doing today, Theo?
No.
It is. Did you lose?
I lost.
He said, "Good luck."
I'm using a.
What a
I'm
dick.
using like a meme deck.
Dang. Did
What?
you trade? What's your model? What movie are you gonna watch? We're watching Avatar right now.
Where?
Did you catch a win?
Don't like leaving the house. Dang. We're gonna go shop at Costco today after the gym, and then we're gonna keep watching a movie.
W Day
Yeah,
for the unemployed.
facts.
Moo. Dang, he killed it. He went long.
Yeah. Nice.
He used us as an indicator.
Maybe. Good job.
W trade. He's mostly on the 30-minute. sense. He says, I don't like talking about the market because I don't want to get into your head.
It's okay. I'm very analytical anyway.
How long have you been trading, Theo?
A while, I think. Did you just take a long?
Me?
Why
No.
does it say you went short?
This is from earlier.
Oh.
This is on the 30-minute chart. I wanted to see what it looked like.
Okay, yes.
Can you imagine? Alright, I'm going long. After it took out liquidity. That would not be good. $6 years. Wow.
Nice.
6 years is crazy work.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's like twice the time I've been trading.
Mm-hmm. Have you ever went live, Theo? That's longer than LPTrades has been alive.
Yeah.
No, I don't stream. It's okay. I don't stream either. Sometimes I get nervous coming on his stream. You learn from ICT too. I feel like everyone who learned from ICT created their own model.
That's what he taught, yeah. Wait, so when did you start learning from ICT though? When you started trading? That's why ICT is the go. He just teaches everyone to create their own model.
Instead of teach them a specific model.
I mean, he's taught specific models, but they're all very ambiguous.
What's that?
Like, more discretionary. Some of the models aren't. Like, some of the playlists, they're very, very straightforward. But he's taught a lot of different models in the past.
He started in
recently.
2022 watching ICT.
Yeah, that's when he went on YouTube.
Mm.
I started in 2023.
He was using Head and Shoulders too.
What?
W Theo. You're hella judging.
No.
You have to start somewhere with that, Ellie.
Well, what you pointed out wasn't a Head and Shoulders, so that's the thing.
No, but you made it look like a Head and Shoulders pattern.
You're just crazy.
You know what I first learned from Leon? He talked about the dick and balls pattern.
Yeah. I talked about the dick and balls pattern.
And I was terrified.
She didn't think it was me. She thought it was somebody else.
Him. I thought it was someone else.
It was in a group of people. Like, we were in a Discord call. And she texted me after. She's like, I was uncomfortable in there. Somebody talked about a dick and balls pattern.
Were you happy you didn't know it was me?
No, I told you it was me.
Not?
Yeah.
No.
I'm like, that was me.
I don't remember you saying it was you.
You couldn't see the LPTrades in the back. I was the only one sharing my screen.
That was funny. Good times, good times.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like a baby in the trading space.
Why do you feel like that?
Because I've only been trading for a year now.
Yeah. Theo, what's your model like?
That's cup and handles. Oh, I heard of cup and handles in crypto.
Yeah.
They use it a lot.
Cup and handles is the only pattern ICT said can sometimes work. And triple tops. What's your model like, Theo?
He just hops on LP's live, sees what you're doing, and does the opposite.
That's not gonna work.
I'm kidding. you're like the Tanja trees.
No.
I'm kidding. Is she that bad?
She is.
There's no way. I gotta see her trade one day.
You don't want to.
What is her model anyways? You think it's dick and balls pattern?
No.
Oh no. I don't know how to work this one.
With what?
You're playing a game too?
Yeah.
He said, I mostly use dealing ranges and power of 3.
That's what I basically used to do.
What is a dealing range? I don't know what that is.
A dealing range?
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to explain. I'll show you.
I don't require entry patterns. I just predict where the opening range will expand to and enter at 0925.
And here we have short-term high. I don't require entry patterns, just predict where opening range will expand to 0925. Yeah. Basically, a dealing range is like this, for example, right? Like this sweep on a low. It's a dealing range because it made like a move on a certain liquidity, and when price is within that range, he was probably looking at this sell side liquidity here was taken, and then we're going to near the dealing range. This was accumulation overnight, manipulation, and the third power 3, distribution. So he's looking, once you get out of the dealing range, you usually don't stop. So he probably went long, thinking we won't really return back into this dealing range. Probably put his stop loss around 50%. And then, yeah. Which is what I would have, like, you know, if I had looked at the charts beforehand, I wouldn't have liked this short. The only reason I took a short is because it's part of the rules.
He said, like on Friday, I just went long at 0930 with a 60-point stop and a 120-point TP.
Same thing Friday.
Oh.
See this move lower, took out this low, took out sell side. It kind of accumulated overnight. Then London took out the low of the day. We still have the high of the day, and we have relative equal highs. So liquidity was obviously resting higher rather than lower. So 930 opened up and just went higher. And he's not trying to capture the entire range. He's just going with 2R.
Oh. He said exactly.
Yeah. I used to do that, actually. But this is more, with Theo, this is more reason why we should implement liquidity in our model. Because right now, like, everything's very mechanical and none of it's discretionary. But I'm starting to realize that a lot of these trades we're taking, and in the past 2, at least from October, November, and then this month, from looking at those trades, a lot of the trades we're taking those losses could have been avoided if we understood where liquidity was residing and where price is going to. I don't know though. I need to look at the wins, because maybe the wins also we could have been able to tell, and then they would have still won. And then at that point, I don't know if it's worth, because I don't know. We'll see.
It seems like if you were to be more discretionary with your trading, a lot of your trades would win.
Yeah, but then if it's but then in the past it was discretionary, and then at one point there needs to be a limit between how discretionary you are and how mechanical you are.
No, I don't want to play this deck.
You don't want to play this deck?
No, I'm not good at this deck.
Look, I already basically got him.
How often does your trade show up, Theo?
Probably every day. almost every day, at least.
Oh, it's
Yeah, it's probably gonna show up here.
too late to sell.
No. Who said?
Hmm?
Who said? It's never too late. Here you.
No, just who cares if it loses?
Yeah, exactly.
15 times a month, he said. That's W.
One. Okay. And let's start recording this too. There you go. I'm in on all accounts. We lost the Clash Royale game though, unfortunately, because I had to enter.
Trading's more important.
The Clash Royale game was more important, baby. No, I'm kidding. Alright, we're gonna be taking profit at this low.
How did I know?
What?
That's
because
my TP area.
What? You're copying me? What the hell?
On Thursday, we built up a premium overnight, so I just went short at 0930.
Yeah. I mean, basically, he trades almost every single day.
Yeah, that's sick.
Do you even trade? What if there's news?
He trades once
like
a day.
CPI, NFP, FOMC, or regular red folder news? July and August 2nd. Yeah, I think those are actually really good months for my models. Is that a consistent thing? Like every year it's bad in those months? Probably because it's summer and it's slower. For me, January is like a on or off. But I tend to see February and March be really bad. So it's gonna suck here probably. We'll see how, if it's really bad, but well, I don't know. Dang. It's trying to cook us here. It's insanely volatile. I don't trade on FOMC day, I trade CPI, non-farm payrolls. Yeah, okay, that makes sense actually. Dang, it doesn't look like it's gonna win. This might be another loss. If this loses, we're gonna go to the gym. And we're gonna
Even if it wins, we're going to.
Yeah. Even if it wins, I go to the gym.
Yeah. I'm gonna just set it.
Set and forget. You're putting it at the high?
That's where my stop loss was.
Isn't it? You don't want to put it 20 points like me?
Right here.
Yeah.
He said, April last year was terrible for me. I went on tilt the whole month. Trump to mess me up.
Oh, yeah. April messed everybody up. I don't think... My models might have won if I had increased the stop size, but it was so insane that I didn't even bother looking at it.
How did April do for NLP?
The same thing. Like, we would have to increase the stop size by a lot.
That was crazy. Everyone's stop sizes were like triple what they normally use.
Yeah, it was a bad month. And it also kind of end of March too affected a lot of people. I seen.
What do you mean?
Like leading up to that tariff decision, end of March, people were also freaking out, and it was hard to see consistency.
Oh.
I want crumble cookies. If we win this trade today, we're gonna get crumble cookies, okay?
Yeah.
For the movie. We're watching Avatar.
That would be hard.
What do you mean?
Eating crumble cookies after the gym.
Why? I've never had a problem eating crumble cookies.
I know you haven't.
Let me show you what I was talking about while this trade is running. You see here how like this trade would have lost, right? Oh. My lord. This trade would have lost here on this day. But if you look at the current day price action, right, we came down, pulled back, made a low of the day, and then we ran up above current day high, but also previous day high. Or like, we went to 388. So near this high right here. Asia high. But
what day was that?
If you look at just if we ignore previous day liquidity and we just look intraday liquidity, fact that London kind of ran down, pulled back inside this big range, and then we ran out all of these relative equal highs, and we rejected it very quickly, like aggressively, to then consolidate. Might have, honestly, here I would probably still go long just because this high was still to be taken. But let's just say we had already taken this high, and like all liquidity on the buy side is taken, then we would only look for shorts, and then this long we would have ignored this long, right? Here as a short, this is like where 930 dumps lower after a huge range day. This is where a huge range day I'm also might ignore and not trade those. But that's not a good example. This is a good example. We've consolidated here and we've ran up a lot. If we're very close to this, we're in a premium. We're in a discount, so if 930 opens up and goes higher from a discount, you would expect where's the next place it could go. I'd expect it to be around here near the high of the day, so focusing on longs could have been more profitable. Over here we took out previous day high, so where's the next place we can go? Lower. So Theo would have went short here, but we could have focused on longs once we took out the liquidity, the low this day, and we re-entered new week opening gap here, and then we could have focused on longs. But yeah, a lot of this is just kind of like understanding where liquidity is going to go on a higher time frame. But this is why I don't want to close off one side. I don't want to say, okay, I'm not taking shorts, I'm only taking longs, and then I'm wrong on where price is going. Because if I'm wrong, then it could mean a lot of losses, and it's harder to get frustrated and go into tilt. That's why it's got to be like a filter, and there has to be a mechanical way of doing it. Yeah, where a way we can backtest it, and like among 10 people, they're all gonna be deciding the same thing. Because Theo, he might want to go short one day, and then maybe me, if I'm trading his model, I might see something different, and then like I don't really know his model, but I mean I assume it's probably what it's gonna be like, where he might want to go short, and then maybe another day, or on the same day, I might want to go long. Because it's more discretionary. It's just about figuring out where price is going, and sometimes you can be wrong, or price may do something completely different than what you think. And if it's about what you think, then it's easier to go on tilt. So I don't know, I have to look at it more. Like first, maybe I'll just start with intraday high and lows, and then I'll go to previous day high and lows. So or maybe it'll just be about looking at whether price is in a premium or a discount based on the current dealing range. This trade is looking tough. I don't know about this, baby.
Dang. Builds good character.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, hopefully now it's gonna want to go lower, huh?
Yeah. We'll see.
We will. It's like so weird. It's just like it's accumulating orders continuously. It doesn't want to move. Meanwhile, the Dow is going lower. This looks like a completely different chart. Like there's so much divergence.
I still don't know what that is.
Divergence? It just means like one of them's going lower while the other one's not.
You always said that you don't like trading when that happens.
No, it's usually inconsistent. Because one of them wants to do one thing, the other one wants to do the other thing. It's harder to see them agree, and then you see smaller moves. When they both agree, you see much bigger moves, because when they both agree, there's a lot more money all in, agreeing that, okay, we want to go in this direction. It's like a market-wide thing. It's not just like one sector wants to do one thing, the other sector saying no, and then they're fighting each other.
That was crazy.
That is crazy.
I used to trade Dow.
Yeah, I don't know how you did it.
It's not that bad.
I don't know.
I found my first win on Dow.
Mm-hmm.
Why did it just on that one dump on there? Go this way. Yeah, right there.
I don't know. It's 10:55.
What day was that?
October 10th.
October 10th?
Yeah.
I think Trump announced something that day.
Probably. I don't think so. Sometimes he just does that.
No,
at that time.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, maybe.
He just shit on the market. During the 4 years of crooked Joe Biden and Democratic failed leadership, tens of millions of illegal alien criminals poured into our country, including hundreds of thousands of convicted.
I remember that day. I don't think anything happened.
What is that? On the 10th of October?
Yeah, I don't think anything happened. I think it just dumped at 10:55. There was no scheduled news. There was no stern speech or anything. Sometimes the markets just randomly dump. Like here, it might just be moving sideways, and at a random point, it's just gonna start going lower. It's just frustrating how this happens right now.
Oh, yeah, no. It did have to do with something on Trump.
What?
On October 10th, President Donald Trump made public statements on social media that day about escalating trade tensions with China.
At what time?
China.
At what time?
It was probably that same time.
Well, ask what time.
What time did he tweet or post on Truth Social? Sometimes you post on Truth Social first before 10:57 a.m. Eastern.
That was before. That was after. After the move started.
When did the move start?
Like 10:55.
Yeah, and then it dumped. He posted it 10:57.
No, right at 10:57.
Yeah.
Has to be a coincidence. He says that all the time. It doesn't always.
But you know what's crazy about that? Actually,
what?
There's people who were found that placed a trade, a short, like 2 minutes prior to him tweeting, like millions of dollars.
But I'm sure that was a coincidence, baby.
I don't know.
Because he says that stuff all the time.
No, but it was like about China, like the main tariff.
He says that all the time. He said about Canada wants to build a dock and trade with China, and he's like, "Oh, if Canada does that, I'm doing 100% tariffs." the people with money that can move the markets, they know that this is just an act and that Trump doesn't really have beef with China. He's just saying that so it looks good for his campaign. And so people are like, oh yes, we're fighting against China. We're taking back what's owed to us. When in reality, it's just a game to win votes. So people that move the market know that. They're not stupid.
Yeah, but isn't it a coincidence that someone placed an order, millions of dollars?
Yeah, sure. Order? One person may have done that, but they didn't.
I think it was Barron Trump.
Maybe they got lucky. Trump isn't moving the market with those tweets. He's not.
What do you mean?
He's not. Because you know what? That day I could tell that it was gonna go lower. Liquidity was lower. It's just the algorithm wanted to go lower, and then maybe the tweet like.
I'm pretty sure crypto went down that day too.
I'm sure you can look at how many tweets he made like that, and you can see how many times the market didn't react. We should see how
much of a coincidence it is. Then we should back test it.
Okay, go every single time. Find every single time you see a tweet like that, and then we'll see if the market moved.
You don't think that's a coincidence that it dumped right when he said that?
No.
Crazy boy. You're just as crazy as the Dow.
I think it is a coincidence. No, not the impact markets. Ask this. How many similar tweets did he do that didn't impact markets? Because for the market to move this much as it did, like what? This is like a what?
What is that? The 1 minute time frame?
This is a 5-minute chart, and price moved a total during that candle 206 points. For the market to move by that much, and the whole move was about 600 points in the span of like 30 minutes. But for the market to move that much, for the market to move that much. Okay, you really think that somebody who has that much money, who can move the market, or a collective of institutions that have that much money, are on Twitter, and then right at 10:57, Trump posts that before thinking, consulting any other analysts or any other member of their institution, say, okay, yeah, let's let's short the futures, like, whoop. Right? Oh, Trump tweeted this. Short.
Yeah.
That doesn't make sense.
There are people who track his Twitter page.
Baby. The people that move these... Crypto is one thing, but the people that move these markets are institutions.
Yeah, banks, I get that.
Even crypto.
But you don't think institutions would sell on that news?
No, I think it's an algorithm.
Because it also affected, like, trade.
No, I think the algorithm probably used that as a catalyst, and it dumped when there were already orders to price it lower.
October 10th. Ahead of time. At 10:57, the markets took a shit because of Trump.
Okay. What did chat say in my comment? I said, how many times so many tweets did you do that didn't impact markets? Most tweets don't significantly move markets. See? Research consistently shows that only a small fraction of Trump's tweets have measurable effects on the market. Could it be a coincidence? I don't believe institutions are...
Theo said, in 5 years' time, your opinion on this will have changed. That's true. Because Trump will be in office.
Oh, Nolani's. In 5 years' time, your opinion on this will have changed. How come 5 years? His term is only 3 more years. Oh, you're not crazy for thinking that institutions are not sitting on Twitter refreshing Trump's feed waiting for a smash sell. That does sound cartoonish.
Can you imagine? Actually, people do that for crypto. Because what he tweets out does affect them.
No, I still think crypto. Markets. I think now crypto, maybe before, but I don't think anymore. What the fuck?
No!
Price is fucking with us.
They took out liquidity. These liquidity.
So yeah, pre-positioning.
Running up a check. Damn. Wow. Should have went long. There's no way.
You got stopped?
Almost.
Yeah, we're kind of cooked. The move was coming anyway. That the tweet just chose the timing. That's what I said. No, don't worry, baby. We're good. It's gonna go back down.
So.
If it doesn't, then it's okay. We're just going gym anyway.
No cookies. We'll have saved more calories though.
Yeah.
No
cookies.
cheesecake cookie. No. Dubai chocolate brownie.
What the fuck?
What? We can only get it when we have a win, you said.
Back. Time to gamble.
Time to gamble. I need that brownie Dubai chocolate cookie. You think all new traders thought the way I've thought at one point?
Probably. Most of them do. Not all of them, though. Caleb doesn't think like that.
Well, yeah. I feel like Caleb knew stuff from you, too, prior.
Yeah.
You shaped and molded him into a trader that subconsciously wouldn't think of dumb shit.
What?
Yeah, baby. It's all algorithms. Then economists use Trump's tweets and other events to try to explain why it happened. So, it's just an algorithm?
Well, yeah, that's what I told you. But right now, this algorithm is not working.
No.
Well, it's not that it's not working. It's just inefficient.
Should I email Trump to post a tweet right now? Hey, Trump. Please post a tweet.
No.
I'm kidding. I'm just messing with you. My boyfriend needs his cookies. Are you back testing?
What does it look like? Of course.
That would be helpful.
Yeah, I would.
It looks like you have zero bias. You just long and shorted. One after the other, you went long and then you went short.
What do you mean, who?
Then the market goes the other way and you're like, no, not that. Like the memes.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. You know, now I know why. Now I know why. I know why the penguins were in season.
Why?
There was a penguin meme.
What?
Yeah, a penguin meme. That's
Okay.
why the penguin meme coin went up. I'm almost gonna be out of this trade. Then I'll have no cookies. It's okay. Penguin meme. Damn. I got taken out.
Tough.
How are you still in this?
Because I didn't get taken out yet.
What? Imagine it doesn't get taken out and you hit TP.
Maybe.
Then you're buying cookies.
What?
Yeah.
The heck?
Because I'm in generational debt right now.
Dang. There you go.
This is the meme. That was a meme. It was like 2 million people.
I'm gonna remove your account from the sheet.
What?
Yeah, because you just don't use it.
Look, baby. I'm at 12,000 on my thing.
Yeah.
No, I should be on there.
Just make your own. Because, I mean, you just don't use it.
Okay, I'll make my own.
I have other people that look at that stuff. And if they see like half under trades or like, you know.
No, I get it. It's okay.
We were in that trade for 30 minutes. Okay. Ready?
No. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna eat before we go. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. It's pretty much done. Don't want to take more than 2 losses, so yeah. Anyways, if we had implemented the liquidity, we would only been shorting. Actually, I don't even know. The thing is, I'm debating between having only looked for longs this day because we're in a distribution stage, or we just look at premium. Probably look at premium, so we would have only taken this short. But this one, unfortunate loss, and then this is a tough loss. It took 30 minutes, but it is what it is. But anyways, thank you everybody for watching, and I will see everyone probably tomorrow.
See ya.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.